Hi everyone, welcome to Cypress tutorial. In previous tutorial, I have explained how to write the basic test in Cypress. In this video, I will show you how to configure your ID for Cypress auto completion and how to get and assert elements in Cypress. So let's begin. First step, configure ID for auto completion. As you can view, if I type here cy.visit. Cy is not showing. We cannot get the methods of Cypress. So we need to add here reference. Reference types is equal to Cypress slash and then close. Let's check now. Now we are getting this Cypress and these all options. Cy dot visit. Now, we have successfully configured the ID for auto completion in Cypress. The second step, get elements, net element and assert. Let's open the Chrome browser. In this tutorial, we will use this website for verifying this logo. First, get the element for this logo and verify this experience the difference. Right click on this logo, inspect, and here we can locate this element by attribute and class here is logo. We can verify the element, can locate the element by ID, class, XPath, link text. These are the locators. We can locate the element and partial link text. Partial link text. These are the few locators. We can locate the element. Now, first we need to verify this logo class. So, Control F and class is equal to logo. Type here after class is equal to logo. Now you can view this logo has been highlighted. So we can locate this element by class. The second option for verifying we can use dot logo. Let's use this element where cy.visit. First, we need to enter the URL of the website for navigating to this URL. Copy this URL and enter URL here. Now, use cy.get for locating the element and the round brackets dot low. First, get the element and then verify this logo should be visible. Dot should dot the dot visible. Now, here we just navigate to this website and locate the element by class name, which is logo. Class name is equal to logo, and then verify this logo should be visible here in this page, in this index page. Now, run this example. For opening the Cypress, we need to enter npx cypress open. Now, Cypress will be open and we need to select our test file. Cypress is open. Click on configured and here you can select the browser. Now, let's select the Chrome and then click on start and do testing in Chrome. It will shows all the test file here. Click on basics. Now, test is running. First, it will navigate to this URL. As you can view, navigate to this URL. We need to save this file. So save this file, then reflecting changes here. First, navigate to this URL and verify this logo is present in this web page. Assert, here you can view get.logo, assert expected image.logo to be visible. Yes, test has been passed. Now, verify this experience the difference text in index page. Open this site and right click on this experience the difference. Click on expect and remove this. Again, right click on this inspect and here you can view class is equal to caption. It means we can locate this element by class. First, verify this element class is equal to caption. As you can view, this text has been highlighted. Same as well, we can locate this class by dot caption. Now, verify this text. Before verifying the text, we need to get this text. Enter sci dot get for get the element dot non brackets dot caption. First, get this text by class name and then verify this text should have dot text and then we need to provide this text. So copy this text, experience the difference because we want to verify this text. So enter text here. Now we can run this test. Save this file for reflecting changes. In this scenario, first navigate to this URL, verify this logo in this index page and then verify this title, experience the difference in this page. Let's change text here and now this test case should be failed because this assertion, this get text is not equal to this text. Now our expected text is experience the difference. We make some changes. Yes. Now test case has been failed because you can view to have text experience the difference. We are expecting this text, but the text is getting experience the difference. Both are different. So our test case has been failed. Now correct this text. Correct this test. Again run this test. Now the test case will be passed because this text, our expected text is equal to this text. We can run our test on multiple browsers. So close this. Okay, we can clear all these logs from terminal. Clear. Now again, run this test npx cypress open. Let's run this test on different browsers. Cypress is opening. Now click on configured and then select the different browser. Edge, we can run our test on Edge, Electron, Firefox. Click on start and to add testing in Edge. Now the test will be run on Edge browser. Click on basics and the test is running. First, navigate to the URL and verify a logo. After verifying the logo, it will experience the reference text in this index page. That is for today. Now, ID has been configured for auto completion and you know how to get and assert elements effectively. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to SK World for more testing tutorials. See you in the next video.